Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Kronos, followed by Ton, SHIB, Dot, Uni, ENA, WLFI, Monero, and then we end with AAVE at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Kronos against USD. So Kronos is in a bullish trend. How much higher do I think Kronos could go? I'm looking at about 44 cents. This is just a consolidation. I think there is another wave higher coming on for Kronos. So the thing about Kronos is that there's no chart pattern for us to work with. It just suddenly boop zipped up. So yeah, again, we have a target here at 44 cents. The only thing is that there's no clear chart patterns. We are banking on the liquidity at around 44 cents, I would say. We might even clear all of these buy classes though, going past into 70 cents. But the point is, 44 cents will be a very nice area, in my opinion, to be taking profits for Kronos. Ton against USD. So when I look at Ton, right, I'm like, what is happening with Ton coin? Right, we are under the skinny pink line. We're kind of in a falling channel. It feels to me like we're consolidating for another move lower here. Feels like that to me. Don't look too good to me. Doesn't look like a bullish reversal. So stay safe. Shiba Inu against USD. Okay, so Shiba might make a move. Absolutely might make a move because this is a squeeze. It's a squeeze. We're under the skinny pink line though. So we need to break clearly above the skinny pink line. Consolidate. Then that's it. We complete a squeeze chart pattern over here. And then a big move for Shiba Inu. Right? But at the same time, I mean, if Shiba Inu, let's say for example, right, we go back all the way to all-time high. This is 500%. So which means that the market cap for Shiba Inu will be times 5. 7 times 5 will be 35. So 35 will put it into the top 10, right? Beyond ADA. So do you think it's possible? Yeah, sure. But everybody will have to move together with Shiba Inu. It can't be just Shiba Inu rising by itself. Unlikely. It's possible, but very unlikely. But yeah, that's Shiba Inu. We're in a squeeze. The squeeze that came over here resulted in a banana move of 1000%. And then of course we came back all the way down to square one, up, and then here we are again. So it feels to me like we are curving back up. You can feel the curve coming on. So that's Shiba Inu for you. Polkadot against USD also feels like it's in a squeeze, similar to Shiba Inu. Will we see a proper break towards the upside? Again, it remains to be seen. I think there'll be a break though. But is this sustainable, right? If we break up, are we going to come back down? Or are we going to stay up? That's the question. That's the $1 million question. So, yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. Uniswap against USD. Here we are for Uni. Uni is just marking around the skinny pink line. It feels to me like this is a mountain, right? This looks like a left shoulder and a head. And like a right shoulder in the making. You can see that. I would stay safe around Uniswap. Still a solid project though. Athena looks to me like it's about to burst back up above the all-time high. Right? We're expecting it to really truly go banana if and when the break comes. Right? Right now, it's not too good in the sense that there's already a higher high. So I suspect that we are actually in the midst of completing a wave E. So we will have to wait for the chart pattern to here first. So yeah, that's Athena for you. Usually when it rises very, very fast. Right? Very, very fast. Right? And of course, as it falls relatively fast as well. So we might see a fall back under the skinny pink line, under 50 cents. It's still a possibility though. So yeah, we'll have to wait for more information first before doing anything for Athena. But it feels to me like we're gearing up for a break. WLFI, here we are for World Liberty Finance. Anything for us to work with? If you look at WLFI, right, we are not exactly, but something kind of in a squeeze over here, right? If we drop down to the smaller time frames, it feels to me like we're in a squeeze. Feels to me like we could be breaking higher. It's possible though, but yeah, it's fairly new, right? And it's at how much? 5 billion. It's 5 billion. Is it overvalued? Yes, it is. It's overvalued, but I still don't see the bearish chart pattern yet. My take is that we're gonna go a little bit higher first, probably towards close to us, sub 30 cents. We're at 20 cents, so maybe another 10 cents to go. Right, we might drop a little bit lower, and after that, spring back up will be expected for WLFI, Monero against USD. Here we are for Monero. Anything for Monero? Monero has hit all targets. Monero is right now marking around the skinny pink line, so I'm expecting Monero to do something like this. We could mark around the skinny pink line for a little bit before breaking it for good. Once we break it, we consider it to be bear season for Monero. AAVE, okay, AAVE is also very overvalued in my opinion. We are also hanging around at the skinny pink line. I suspect that this whole thing could be a AB coming down for a CDE. So there is this C part that could be coming to clear all of these cells. I suspect though, I highly suspect this could be happening. Right, we might clear these highs first, and after that, we drop lower. Right, so yeah, again, AAVE is quite near to the top, I would say. We've been hanging around at the skinny pink line. I think we're probably going to come back down eventually. So stay freaking safe. Mental still looks pretty good. We like what we see on Mental. Mental has been in an accumulation. It feels to me like we're about to complete a wave E over here and to see a big breakout. We're very, very close to a breakout for Mental. Okay, we'll save it. Okay, no, we'll do it today. And tomorrow we will just move on from it. So Mental is, in my opinion, very, very close to the break. Right. Best case scenario is we get a wave E over here. Consolidate over here for a little bit, for a few weeks, months, and after that, Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas, everybody, for Mental. So, yeah, kind of like what I see for Mental. Mental, we have clear targets, 250 and 390, and we're expecting it to be hit eventually. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for Top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.